I kind of just whipped out my camera today because I did not know what to upload. I was planning to upload a skit, but I didn't. But I know. I was planning to upload a skit, but that didn't happen. And I was planning to play another game, but I couldn't do that because I didn't know what game to play. So I just kind of whipped out my camera. But now that y'all know that, let me actually get into my video that I was doing for this video. Let me just... Have y'all ever wanted to solve a Rubik's Cube? Barakaa's the guy for that. B-A-R-A-K-A. That's how you spell it. Solving a Rubik's Cube 101. First, when you first get a Rubik's Cube, it's obviously going to be solved already. Correct? Is this thing focused? Gosh, I'm sweating so bad. Anyways, back to what I was saying. Cut. When you first get a Rubik's Cube, it's going to be solved. So quickly unsolve that junk. You know. Or did I say how to solve a Rubik's Cube? I'm just going to show y'all that I can solve a Rubik's Cube. Yeah, my bad. I'm not actually going to teach you. I feel like I'm a terrible teacher. See this? This is your worst enemy. You cry over this. Got it? You cry over this. You go into the bathroom, you're taking a dump, you're gonna cry over this. Now, let the time begin. Alright, my fellow warriors, we finally got this far. That was so tiring. I can't express that enough, but let's finally finish this thing. Okay, do that, then this, then that, and that. If my Rubik's Cube actually wants to move, and solved. Oh my gosh! Hey, got your boy sweating like a pig. You freaking Rubik's Cube! Never again. Never again. Oh my gosh. Well, solving that Rubik's Cube is hard as frick. I mean, even ask my bathroom me. We could go check him out right now. This is the freaking cause on why I'm on the toilet. Now, if you excuse me, I've got to use the toilet. Yeah, that bathroom me. I've got no other words. He basically said it all for me with his butt. That was basically all the video. I'm sorry I didn't have anything to, record with or play. What? I'm sorry I didn't have any games to play, and I'm sorry I couldn't upload a skit. That skit will be still coming out though. I don't know today, but another fact is today is my birthday. July 4th. How crazy. I appreciate y'all, and I appreciate everyone who watched this little video I made. And yeah, if y'all enjoyed today's video, be sure to Warriors smash that like button, join the journey, subscribe, and gear up, because Warriors, we are out. Baraka coming through.